kasing panglalo ng Labor Department ang programa nito sa pagbibigay ng hanap buhay sa mga kabataan. Ito ay bilang alinsunod sa United Nations Millennium Development Goal na maibsan ang problema ng kahirapan sa bansa. Ang ulat mula kay George Bandola.
Mabigyan ng trabaho ang mga kabataan at mayangat ang mga ito sa kahirapan. Ito ang pakay ng Department of Labor and Employment alinsunod sa nais ng United Nations. Gusto kasi ng United Nations Millennium Development Goal na mabawasan ang kahirapan sa pinakamahihirap na probinsya ng bansa mula sa Masbate, Antique, Maguindanao at Agusan del Sur. Bigyan ng trabaho mga kabataang nasa edad ng 15 hanggang 24.
So the goals that we're looking at with the MDGs is, how do we reduce poverty? And the goals that the MDGs is by half by the year 2015, and also to reduce the level of employment by half. In order to do that, we need to focus on these. So the targets globally are just that. We need to cut this in half.
Even those that have finished college, because we are also started with the program with the problem of mismatch, and encouraging also those who are graduate students, especially those who are taking up business administration, commerce, or what, if they can probably, if they could not get employed, then they have an alternative to go into self-employment.
Nauna nang naglaan ng $27 million ang UNMDG para tugunan ang problemang ito. Prioridad ng pamahalaan ng mga out-of-school youth at mga drop-outs sa programang ito.
Every kabataan na mabigyan ng opportunity to be employable, to go back to school, mabigyan ng particular information na ako at nararapat, mas nabubuhay po at mas nagiging masigasin po sila sa kanilang mga pangarap at pag-asa.
This is a global phenomenon. But then, as I said, because we're looking at inclusive growth, we would like to address the young people, especially those who are dropouts, those who are out of school, and provide them this opportunity for self-employment or formal employment through technical training or provide them entrepreneurial skills development.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.